Today I will show you how to insert multiple pictures with the same size to the Excel. So let's start. Now we have product. I save all the picture in the same folder. That's the folder address. Okay, let's go back. And the first thing is create a formula, define name, insert image. And from here, the reference, we use the first one. That's the address of the picture, because I have all the picture have the same format. So let's copy and paste to here. Click OK. And then for the first column, we need the product name. So let's go to the D1. And for the D1, we use the formula. That's the formula name, and the row is D1. Okay. And copy this one, D1, and put it here. Press enter. Now I have the picture name, the first one, and we drag it. Now we know we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures in the folder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we don't need the rest. Okay. Then we copy it and paste to the product. We paste by value. Okay. Then let's go back and delete all of this. And for them, we go to data and the text to columns. Go to next. From here, we put dot here, and then we split them. Then we click the PNG and say do not import columns. Finish. Now we have all the product name. And for the picture, we will use this formula. This formula, same thing, the address, and here we have A2, because the product name starts with A2. And we have the same size of the picture. We set the size of the picture, we copy it, and go to here, paste, and press enter. Now we have all the picture name. And drag it, copy it to the notepad. Then we copy it back. When we copy it back, we select Special and make sure the Unicode is selected. Now we have all the pictures. Then we select all the cells, and we need to format them with the size. Row height, we use 150, and go back. The column wise, we have 50. Click OK. Then we format those things to maybe 20 and center middle. Then we have everything here. Now you can see when we move the when we resize the shell, it will go with the picture will move with the shell. So that's it for today. Hope it can help you. Thank you.